Step into a home where classic charm meets modern style, with crisp exteriors, sunlit living spaces, and bold design touches. From the vibrant green-tiled kitchen to cozy nooks and serene bedrooms, every detail blends comfort with character. The house features a Dutch-inspired design with white walls, black windows, and wood shutters. Its gabled roofline and large windows softened by lush landscaping. The outdoor spaces balance comfort and style, from the stone-walled terrace and cozy garage corner to a lively patio rich with textures, colors, and inviting spots for gathering. The front entryway features a bold teal door framed by white walls and wood accents, with tall greenery adding a fresh, modern touch to its inviting charm. The dining room is bright and welcoming with teal curtains, a bold chandelier, and a black table, flowing into a kitchen with wooden shelves and colorful accents for a warm, inviting feel. The kitchen blends modern flair and earthy charm with an emerald green backsplash, lightwood island, and sleek cabinetry, while sunlight, open shelving, and colorful accents make it lively yet cozy. The open layout connects kitchen, dining, and living with a long island, wood cabinetry, and pops of color. A chandelier-topped wooden table with black chairs and greenery adds warmth. bright and expansive with tall windows, neutral seating, and pops of color from art and textiles, while the fireplace wall with bold art and window benches creates a cozy focal point. The mudroom blends practicality and charm with dark cabinetry, terracotta tiles, a cushioned bench, and smart storage that keeps the space organized and inviting. The entryway and staircase make a bold statement with patterned risers, sleek railings, and elegant curves, while built-in seating, art, and greenery add warmth. Upstairs, a bright landing with shelving and personal touches connects the home's private spaces with ease. The bedroom feels serene and airy with soft bedding, patterned pillows, and a woven light fixture, while natural light through simple shades balances coziness with modern simplicity. The bathroom pairs bold hexagon tiles and dark cabinetry with bright natural light, brass accents, and greenery, creating a modern yet inviting space with a fresh, organic feel.